Bediide no vamos. Allez, allez. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, I love you tonight. Hey, Uche. Ajay. Hey! Allez, vamos! Vamos! Allez! Hey!
Thank you so much. And I see my brother at that crowd and it's true. Y'all go ahead and send fire for you. Wonderful. Alright, so it's the main edition Highlight Music Awards. And like I said in the beginning, every big thing starts small. We are also excited about your enthusiasm and the fun that you're having. Are you having fun? Yeah! Wonderful, wonderful. You have 12 awards in the show. So we saw the magnificent display of Bless. That is what I was talking about. The new generation are holding on to the tradition amongst Sandra. Now, the people who are here would be about the cow and a highlight for the people. No one I remember the amount and holding on to the tradition. Help me welcome Ama Gomoa will do us the honors to present Urban High Life music. Now the Urban High Life and the high life of the youngsters, the new generation, those who don't want to do the rap music, but still holding on to their identity, which is high life music. But the rhythm, the melody, the beat is also a bit hip, but it's for the youth. And that is why we are honoring such artists or musicians. For the maiden edition, Urban High Life Music of the Year 2019 goes to the 5-star general, the 5-star general, Bediide. Ghana for the Bediide said Bediide was once a taxi driver, but still had the passion and love for high life music. And no, they didn't change a copy and slip music. For Kriku Mante and then the back one thing. Sir, when young guitars is here, or be composing music here, Momo Bediide. Thank you, Ama Gomoa, presenting the Urban High Life Music of the Year to Bediide. Good evening, Pennyford. I need a minute to say more. Teacher, congratulations to Bediide. In fact, we deserve it because we had time no yet taxi driver said they not the size here, and this is here said they want here to say apart. We're now 10. We are only here. You are never put us here now. Now we did numbers and 10 years so now. Now, Bediide, in fact, the accolades and the credentials, the only high life artist in Ghana, which means dancing dancehall artist. You see, dancing, gay, music, hip hop, form of culture, high life, your boy, but this is we hear strong man, Berma, any medical year, and Opa Cafe, started here, being over here. Let's just say, any advice, any, well, it's a rap for the dance of one and this. Hey, no, you're sorry, continue. Bediide, and your master boy said, was it Ujai? Xylophone music, Ujai. And no Payendo, Bonia, anyway, so that is just by the way. Our next award is Guitar Band